Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Alight Motion is updated and has camera and storage permissions. This prevents failures when importing QR content. Open Alight Motion now and create or open a project so the import target exists. Once the project is loaded, tap the Media Import icon to access photos or files. If the QR code is on another screen, prepare to use your camera or take a quick screenshot. This ensures you can fetch the code without interrupting the project flow. You now bring the QR into Alight Motion. Choose Import and select the QR image, or tap the camera scan option if available. Crop tightly so the QR fills most of the preview. Tighter framing improves detection and reduces noise. If Alight Motion cannot parse text or links, open a dedicated QR reader app, extract the URL or data, then copy it back into Alight Motion, either as an external link, text layer, or downloaded media. This two-step approach separates detection from composition for reliability. You finish by converting the scanned QR data into usable assets. Paste any URL into your browser, download linked media, and import that file into Alight Motion. For plain text, paste it into a new text layer and style or animate as needed. For links to assets, bring the media into the timeline and position or keyframe it. If you encounter problems, make sure the QR image has high contrast, minimal glare, and is not skewed. Rescan after adjusting lighting or using a clearer screenshot to resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.